Hello, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to locally deploy the Swamp application platform. Here in this GitLab we have all the files needed to do the installation. Uh, so I have already downloaded the files and changed the configuration to the Swamp IoT platform. So we need to change this file, and we just need to run the installer. So here is the directory which I downloaded the files. I will just run the installer. Okay, this installer downloads the Swamp API, downloads the water needs information, and run both of them. In order to check if those files are running, we are going to go to the ports of each of them. So we have localhost. This should return a message of the API. It's running, and this should return a hello world from the warning information. So that's it. Thank you.